Hey you guys, I hope all is well. Today is a very short video about me getting this phone mount for my car from Cricut Create 9 on Instagram. They often give me things and I just wanted to give them a shout out today on this review and to just show y'all what they give. I didn't have to pay anything for it. They paid for it and they sent it out for me through my PayPal. So we can go ahead and get everything together and put it right on up here. I really hope y'all enjoy. So far it's been up on my car for about a week and it's been sticking up really good. It's very easy to put together. I was putting it together while I was waiting for Ezekia to come out of school. It took like 10 minutes. And so it's just very easy. So I really hope y'all enjoyed the music and enjoyed a little bit of content. And I'll be back at the end of the video, okay?
See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go. I want it, yeah, I need it, and I'm on it, I'm on it. Are you the same? 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 Are you the same?
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thank you to Cricut Create 9 on Instagram for giving me this phone holder. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you haven't yet, go ahead and join the family by going ahead and clicking the subscription box down below, showing that red box to gray. Join the family. We'll see you next time. Y'all be blessed.
Wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever.